Why do 90% of crypto investors fail? And why the other 10% build quiet, generational wealth? Most people enter Bitcoin with excitement and leave with regret. Here's exactly why and how to fix it. They trade on emotion, FOMO in, panic sell. They have zero system, no allocation rules. They chase hype and next big thing, altcoins. They underestimate how long real wealth takes. They treat Bitcoin like gambling, not asymmetric strategy. Result? They never pass the mental 0.1 BTC level. The difference isn't timing, it's psychology plus repeatable systems. Master emotional control. This is where 90% lose first. Cycle-proof DCA beats perfect timing. Cut through noise. Read macro and on-chain. Design allocations that survive bears. Time is the edge. Compounding does the work. These milestones are the difference between hoping and knowing. If you want calm, high-signal crypto intelligence, join the NOX desk.